So dear students, I am back with the new tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a duplicate copy of a sprite. Making a duplicate copy of a sprite. Okay, so I'll be telling you in steps how to do this. So first of all, how to do that? Some new commands will be told to you. Firstly, I'll be using the pen command. So in the pen command, first of all, you will see one stamp. I'll do this is the stamp command, and what this command is doing, it copies, it stamps. What the stamp is doing actually, it copies the sprite. So I'll be using this stamp command first of all. Then I'll again zoom out so that you could see. Then motion. Now again this command you are knowing, move. So I'll be moving it to, let's see, 30 steps. Stamp 30 steps. Then pen down command you are already knowing, so I'll be using the pen down command. This is the pen down command. I'll be using the pen down command. And after pen down command, so one command already I have told you, yes, set pen color. This time I am doing change pen color. This is the new command. Actually, when I'll be using this command, it will automatically change the color of the pen automatically. So I'll be clicking on this command. Let's see the change pen color by 30. Okay, now the size of the pen. This was set pen size, so I can use this. I'll drag it here. Suppose I'm making it to 10. So stem, move 30, pen down, change. Okay. So till here we have done, and this is a sprite. But what happens if a sprite touches this side? What it should do? Then there is a command for that also. In motion, there is a command if on edge. I'll just zoom in. If on edge bounce. So we click on this, we'll drag it here. So overall, this is the command. Stamp, move 30 steps, pen down, change pen color by 30, set pen size to 10, if on edge, bounce. So let's see what it does. I'll click this one. Can you see? The color of the pen is being changing. So it is moving 30 steps and change pen color by 30. I'll just increase this to 50. Move 50 steps. Let's see the change now. You could see now the color lines are bigger now because our sprite is moving 50 steps. Let's see if we'll make it to 100. Can you see now? The bigger line is been there. So in this way, my tutorial ends here, and you have learned how to use two commands. One is stamp and other one is if on edge bounce. That means whenever it is on the side wall, it should bounce back. These are the two commands which are new for you. And change pen color by 30. That depends, whatever you feel. You can change the colors. Now I have used 30, you can use 20, 10, depends upon your need. Okay.